Now this is a stunning looking Defender. 2022, 22 registration, Defender 110, the 3-litre diesel engine, what you call the D250 X Dynamic S. Now the 110 is a 5-door version with a massive boot. Now, with only 8,000 miles on, the car is absolutely stunning. But it's the way this car looks. It looks fabulous. Because it's black with a full black styling pack on, it's very stealthy. And with lots of upgrades, it looks super aggressive. It looks like a tank, really. Still has manufacturer's warranty till 2025. The car is fabulous. Now let me start with the front. Everything is de-chromed and it's black styled up, so you get the badges, the grille, the sort of headlight surroundings, the front section of the bumper there, the X-Dynamic badging. You've got 360 camera systems, so that's front camera, side cameras and rear camera. You've got the 110 bonnet decal, the checkered kick plates there, and then look at them wheels, absolutely stunning. 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels, which completely changes the way this car looks. It looks sporty, but it's still a good SUV, well, one of the best SUVs. You've got front and rear mud flaps, the black tube side steps there, black side air vents, sun protection glass, quarter windows, and then this car has the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. Comfort access, and look at that interior. You've got all the adjustments for heat, seat height adjustment, lumbar support, navigation, DAB digital radio, the dual zone climate control, and then you've got the automatic gearbox. You've got, like I said, things like your Bluetooth system. The car is amazing. Centre armrest, twin cup holders. You've got the USBs and USCs, grab handles, front and back. And the detailing on the front is just absolutely superb. It's a Defender. They sell themselves. We are getting any amount of these Defenders, and they're selling instantly. This particular one, because of the styling, the whole black stealth look on it, with the upgraded wheels and the spoilers, just looks really special. All the wheels are in perfect condition, no curb damage, no corrosion, nothing like that. Round the back, you have the LED rear lighting system. I think this little spoiler at the top makes all the difference, completely changes the rear end of this car. The spare wheel cover just there, again, hard back. The space in the 110 is absolutely tremendous. You've got the hard back on this, you can literally just wipe it down, any muck on there. And this car also has the detachable tow bar as well, which is tucked just underneath there. It clicks in when you want to use it, and when you finish using it, just take it back out again. What a car, genuinely. I think the black, all black, looks really, really good. The wheels make a difference, the spoiler, and being the X-Dynamic, it has the colour-coded arches, the bottom side skirts are all colour-coded, and again, I think the tow badge makes all the difference, and the side steps. Electric windows and mirrors just there. Push button start, lane assist, you've got your cruise control, voice control, and stereo controls there. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, air suspension, which is quite a big one, makes all the difference in your ride and comfort. Front and rear heated windscreen, centre armrest comes up, and with regards your 360 camera system, it's just there, very easy to use, and your off-road camera as well. The navigation and everything else is just touchscreen. It's like using an iPad reader or an iPhone. It's dead simple. The car is in a beautiful condition. Because of the way this car looks, it's just not one that's going to hang around for too long, because it is really special. So my name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. If you like what you see and you want to reserve it, give me a call, I'll get you sorted. Thanks for watching, bye-bye now.